Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Max Probability Exercise 16.2 question number 7. Let's see the question. Refer the question number 6 above. State true or false. Give reason for your answers. Here, in question number 6, they have given A, B and C. A is nothing but getting an even number on the first die. B is getting odd number on the first die. For C we got one comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2 and 4 comma 1, which is nothing but the number less than or equal to 5. The sum of the number less than or equal to 5. These are all the things we got for A, B and C. Now, let me also write the A dash. A dash is nothing but B. So, let me write it here. A dash equal to B and B dash equal to A. B dash is nothing but the other than A, not B. Not B is nothing but A. Same way for A dash is nothing but B. A dash is other than the number or even number on the first die. So not even number on the first die. Opposite to that is nothing but the odd number on the first die. The same way, not B is A, not A is B. Now we'll start with the sum. The first one they have given A and B are mutually exclusive. Yes, A and B are mutually exclusive. So true or false? So true. A and B are. A intersection B is equal to a null set. Therefore, A and B are mutually. There is no intersection between or getting a number on the first die here, getting an odd number on the first die. If it is an even number, it will not be odd number on the first die. So there is no intersection in this two. So they are mutually exclusive because of no intersection. So first subdivision we have completed. We'll move on to the second one. The second one they have given A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Already we have seen that A and B are mutually exclusive because there is no intersection. But exhaustive means that A union B should have a sample space. It should contain all the elements in the sample space. In this case, if we include this 2, we'll get the sample space. So it is true because A intersection B equal to a null set and A union B equal to a sample space. So we can say that these two are mutually exclusive and also exhaustive. We'll move on to the third one. In the third subdivision they have given A is equal to B dash. Here we have written A is equal to B. B dash is equal to A. Same way A is equal to B dash. Even this is true because B dash is equal to getting an even number on the first die. So this is true. We'll move on to the fourth. A and C are mutually exclusive. This is false because if we see A is even number on the first die, here we have in C we have even number on the first die also is included in C. That means there will be intersection. A intersection C is equal to 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3 and an even number here is 4 comma 1. So as we have intersection, as A intersection C is not equal to null set, therefore they are not mutually exclusive. Now we'll move on to the fifth subdivision. In fifth subdivision they have asked A and B dash. Here A and B dash is intersection is false, and means it is intersection. Intersection is false because we know that A is equal to B dash. So all the elements of A will be there in B dash and there will be no intersection. So as it is not an intersection, it is a false because they are not mutually exclusive because of it is not a null set. Now we'll move on to the sixth subdivision. In the sixth subdivision, they have asked for A complement, B complement and C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. In this condition, if we take separately, we know that all the three it is not a null set. But if we take A intersection B dash, we know that both are same. So we have A is equal to B dash. So A dash is intersection B dash is a null set. B dash intersection C dash will be not a null set. The elements are same, so it is not a null set. Same way, A dash intersection C is also not equal to a null set, so it is a false. And also if we include that, if we see the sample space, the union, we have all the elements, extra elements are there in C, so we can't say it is true, it is also false because of not exhaustive and not mutually exclusive events. That's all with the sum. Thank you.